everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to try another 3D printed stencil. Now I'll show you from the last video I did. This is the dragonfly, dried beautifully. Loved how it turned out. The only thing is though, the stencil that Greg made me that I showed in the last video, he made me these little handles to pick it up, but this laid flat on the paint and I totally lost the design. It's a miracle that I was able to salvage this. It turned out beautiful and I'm thrilled with it, but I think we can do better with the stencils. So let me just put this painting away here because that's still drying. So he's made me a tribal eagle, very pretty, with feet. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's 4 feet that he's put on there. No handle this time because it's going to be raised off of my pillow paint that I'm going to have down. So it's just going to be sitting in little parts of the paint and not the whole thing. So fingers crossed this works. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys. Your comments and your thumbs up really do mean the world to me. Keep them coming. I can't do this without you guys. You guys totally keep me going every single day to try to do some of my art, try new things. You never know what you're going to get, right? Okay, so again, hit the subscribe button. You never know. You might just enjoy yourself here. All right, the colors I'm going to do are the boom gels again. I've got black put aside, metallic gold, primary elements. I've got apple rose pulled out and Deco Arts metallics in the garnet. I mixed up a little bit of that, just thinking I might need a little bit more of an outline color. So that's what we're going to be working with. Greg's going to hit some music. I hope you all sit back and enjoy, and fingers crossed that this stencil is going to do what we need it to do. All right, thanks again for joining me, everybody. Here we go. Go ahead, hon, hit the music.
Is my favorite lover, and gotta woo her. He's gotta woo her. He's gotta woo her into love. She was patient, though it was late. They were quite the match. After a while, he made the move, dial 7 keys to get her on the phone. Then he wooed her. Then he wooed her. Then he wooed her into love. He was clear with his intentions, didn't waver with indecision. Knew he just couldn't live without her. To marry her would be the cure. Then he wooed her. Then he wooed her. Then he wooed her as he should.
One more note, one more breath, one more go is all I get this time around. One more night to sing a song, see the light, dance along an empty floor I've come to know quite well. I've been lost underneath its spell, just for now. Bid to you farewell. Dig my heels in, do my best, try to forget all the rest. Remember my good intentions. Caught up in the whirlwind of, forgot about my faith in love to make the whole thing disappear. I've been lost, the fog's begun to clear. Just for now, I'll patiently wait here. If every note is my last, light a fire, strike a match. Tomorrow comes, my voice is lost. At least I'll have had one more song. One more note, one more breath, one more go is all I get this time around. This time around. This time. This time.